Hi, now we have created some object repositories and we will see how to create test cases for those object repository. Let us create two different test cases. One is for list all users and create new users. We club these two together in one single test case and create another test case for IMGUR with HTTP header request. Let me go to test cases and right click new folder, and I am gonna to create test cases for list and create users. And another folder I am creating for IMGUR. Sorry. Here let me create one test case. List users and providing the name as list users, and I click OK. Now our test case is created. Here you can create test cases in manual method, script method, and also you can pass variables in your test cases, which we will discuss later. Let us begin with manual method. Select manual method and go to add web service keyword and click the plus icon. Initially, what we are going to do is we will be sending a request. From the drop down, select send request, and in object select which request we need to send. Double tap on object and select the select any request from object repository. Now we have created test case for list users, so I am selecting this list all user object repository and I am giving OK. Now I will be sending request for this and go to script method. A script will be automatically created to send request to the list all users API request, and go to manual method. Add a web service keyword to verify whether the status code of the web service response is 200 or not. If the status code response is 200, then the test case is passed in generally, or else it will be failed. So here we have to verify what is the status code of this web service request. From the drop down, select verify response status code, and in input we have to give the value as 200. To easy way, go to this script method. To do it easily, go to script mode and provide a variable for API request, where one is equal to. Now I am storing the web service request in one variable called variable1. and I am passing this var1 variable here, and I am verifying whether its request response has value 200 or not. I am saving it. Let us run this test case. Now our test case is launching. On the right side you will see the job progress. Initially it will take little bit few seconds to launch our test case. Let us wait. Now our test case started running. Hi guys, now our test case is run. I found one issue. So there is one small change. Instead of providing this code in verifying the status value, we have to pass this code like ws.verify response status code, and we have to pass this variable value here, and here we need to provide whether the status response is 200 or what. Now let us run this. I am saving it and I am running. Now our test case is running. In log viewer we will see the log. Yeah, here it is sending a request. Now, and it verified the status code, and now our test case is passed by verifying response status code successfully. If you go to manual method, script will be also manual script will also be created automatically. For that, the easiest way is to doing it by script method. You just by using manual method, you just click send request and select the object from object repository and go to script, assign a variable to it by providing def variable, define any here provide any value name whatever it is. Here we have provided variable, and we can also provide any custom name like list users or whatever relevant name you provide, and line this and write this small line and pass the defined variable here. Save it. Now our test case is created. It will send the request and verify whether the status code is 200 or not. Let us check that once again. It started running. Yeah, it is verified. Like that, we will create test cases for create users and IMGUR API as well.